Fatumako. Another day. We had the Champions of Chains workshop back at English Church. Healthy homes we're talking about today. Doesn't look like many people came. Oh, but it smells good. There we are. Look. Ooh. Wow. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, straight in. Fatu, how are you? Fatu Mako. I'm just here with one of the presenters for today. This is a Healthy Homes workshop. And I've got my
Healthy Homes workshop, awesome.
Healthy Homes, yeah.
So Healthy Homes, that's awesome. Part of looking after your home is ensuring that your home is ready for any emergency that comes. So that's going to be my talk today. Talk about is your home ready? Do you have a plan at home if an emergency should strike?
Is that like a disaster?
It could be, yeah, all sorts of disasters. You'll see it in my presentation. It could be severe weather. It could be a public health pandemic like COVID or measles outbreak where you need to isolate, be ready to isolate, or it could be a man-made issue. Well, we shouldn't say that, but you know, it happens, you never know. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to talk about today, and I have a couple of giveaways, and it looks like a lot of people, so I'm not sure if everyone I thought there's only going to be about 10 people, so I do have 10, I can stretch it to 15, just emergency preparedness packs to give away.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Thank you.
Go it. Okay, whakalo whatumako. Ko i Urahuhu. E kamata e aho e workshop. The word for workshop is called Fe'akoaki. Fe'akoaki. I just learned that word, I'm not too sure, but my sister's just preparing and everyone's just having lunch. Morning tea first before we start. Looking forward to see who's talking again. I heard it was my sister Steph, Etana, Alan Tunnel's daughter, Siafi. I think even the police are having a talk today as well, so can't wait. Yeah, it's Wednesday today, 10 o'clock in the morning, just waiting to begin. Awesome, okay.
Safety for the si quello che era che casa o si do di financial relation no no mai. Kata hai atu di fi kan
Oh my.
financial abuse, psychological, spiritual, lots of things that involve the abuse stage. Manasa se kaito ake pikui na doutor se sino pikui na mandai ke ua foi na karea ta tu koi ki na doutor ke mo i fia doutor mo ne mo tu da sino no doutor ke tio ke issues right ne he mo ta doutor si outra ha foi que é o mais que to hormones ka en ta la he ko mo ho the hormones he no ho to que que no tới the hormones but to blessing aí olá
Hello.
Tới đây là đầu tiên ke whakapuke mino mai ke laua, ke wa ke whakapuke tau pepa ham tōru, tau whawhanua tuia ke lau tōru, e tau whāringa hua, te tau ai tau whani.
Toto e tos kualisi tos kes. Lima fitu.
So we are not only looking ke he tau hara ke mo ka mai to kita ta mai to kai ka rono foki ke hara to to ke mo e ma fola mo e ma lo e taina ke to mama tua se hoku ke ma sto puna. Healthy homes also involve healthy relationships, non-violence. Everybody get on well, families get on well.
We're just having a raffle right now, if you're wondering what's been happening. They're calling up the number. Each person that came and got a ticket, and now people are winning some prizes. Yeah, that's Alan Thomas' granddaughter. This is Argentina. And I think we see off it's a little luck of the draw, which is good. My sister's about to go up, present, so all the best Steph, we'll be listening out to what you got to say. Lea, pakolahi mai ke ono mai.
Yay!
Fifideia, tá?
Translator? To help translate my presentation. You guys are good translators. You guys are good times.
I'm $65 an hour.
That's cheap.
Toto hake.
So anything that you're worried about, that you want to do but can't, just ring us and we'll see if we can help you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just ring my number if you want to. The payment number is, just look it up on the next review programs as well. The latest
They
one
want to
that
call
is
Halo,
showing
talking about
on
buying a
will be
house.
on the 23rd of
269
this month. Already is about 50 people.
7989.
7989 269 7989. Look at purchasing your own home.
Who are private, the organizations that
Favorite part of the day? Got off after my cold. Yo, lunchtime. I'm about to get my flu vaccine. Apparently it's free, so I hope it's free for me. It's the brother Danny, Course Collective. Hey. Oh, so. Alright, okay. Free vaccine. The thing I don't like about getting vaccines is sometimes I get sick after taking the vaccine. That's why I never got them for ages, but I think winter's coming and I don't want to get sick during winter. Hopefully if I get sick from this vaccine, I'll let you guys know. But should be all good. So I'm going to have something to eat.
Introduce clothing or cotton clothing at least to our people, and it kind of took away our cultural beliefs in a sense. So our dance forms or art forms change to the modern day traditional and our contemporary. So this website is also something that I want our young people to go into and read about and let know. So it's something more accessible, but also something that I feel is important for our young people. A little bit about me. So this is going into educational literacy. We have primary, intermediate, and high school. And those are the curriculums that were compulsory. So it's compulsory for us to attend. But
Akai malai hiện ta lời để long ngon neo kia e tên này mới ya long này phụ tha thì mua thì đầu tu thì đầu tu về.
how to save money, how to invest in money. Because when we save our money, we can clear off our children. So this is just some quick questions for our younger people, if they know what the word income means, if they know what tax is, and where do the taxes go? What is a loan? What is a mortgage? Those are things that the children, I feel, should know about as part of general knowledge. Just as something.
Financial literacy. Kalau fefe doktor, o mai doktor ke, koi batua mai ni ke home demand, jangan itu pakai tak, ke pun ke sok pun dalam dia, dalam ni sok. Cái apa trong tâm, ke luar, ke control. Ya.